It's here. Yep, it is here. So what is it? Let's get to it. I'll tell you exactly what's going on. Now what's going on? This is a Petrol box. This is one of those mail order boxes where you get different things from different, in this instance, different car manufacturers, like, you know, detail sprays, microfiber wipes, t-shirts, anything like that. So James over at Online Car Show was having a 5,000 subscriber / giveaway. But what he was asking for was cars, photos of your cars, or 1-minute video clips, and he'd put them on his channel, and then the ones that got the most views got a $50 gift card plus one of these boxes. Petrol box, being as great as they are, said no, we don't want you to do that. We're going to offer everybody that submitted something a Petrol box, a premium Petrol box too. That's this large box.
And as I mentioned previously, I was doing a video in here where y'all were going to submit a video, which I believe 7 people did, and you get a chance, you know, of winning a Petrol box and a $50 Amazon gift card. Well, since then I've reached out to Petrol box and I've changed the giveaway a little bit. Got a real big surprise here. Every single person, all 7 that submitted a video, are going to get a premium Petrol box.
And that's what this is a Petrol box. And what, like I said, what you get in it typically ranges anywhere from magazines to stickers to detail sprays, microfiber wipe. In other words, any automotive manufacturer out there that does detailing products or whatever can send them something in, and they will put it in their boxes and then send it out to their subscribers. So what's in this one? Glad you asked. Yeah, I'm glad you asked too, Cooper. So let's get to it. Now I have already cracked this one open, as you can see. All right, so I didn't want to be fighting it on camera. Let me move this out of the way just a hair. And let's open it up and see what we have in this one. Now I already have a little bit of a hint because of what everybody else was getting, and I've seen their photos and stuff. But here we go. Jay Leno. This is his Eco Wash. I've been wanting to try some Jay Leno products. They sell it down at AutoZone, and the local Advance Auto carries some of his stuff too. But I've actually been wanting to try some of his stuff, so here we go. This is what makes this so great. You just literally do not know what you're going to get in these boxes. Generally there's a label or a printout saying what all's in it, so I really have no idea what's in this one. I saw James with this one. This is their face mask. Right, really cool looking face mask. And you notice that time, we all need them, right? Petrol box face mask. That's actually pretty cool. I like the way that feels. So we've got those 2 things. We have the hand sanitizer on a carabiner, so you can hang this up in your car or on a keychain or a lanyard off of your mirror or whatever, and always have some hand sanitizer handy. That's right, gotta be safe, buddy. And then of course the spray nozzle for the Jay Leno. Then we have the Petrol box t-shirt. Let's go ahead and open it up so you can see what it looks like. My wife's gonna be like, great, another t-shirt for me to have to wash. Hey buddy, you gonna help? We got a helper coming, special guest. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Shake the camera. There you go. Good boy. Here's my little helper checking things out. Come on, check it out. You like that light? Don't knock it over. Yeah. That's my special little helper. Alright, here we go. The Petrol box shirt. Got Petrol box on the front chest here. And if you don't know, what they do is whenever you subscribe, it's a monthly subscription. They have several different layers of subscriptions, but they ask you sizes, like glove sizes, shirt sizes, sock sizes, stuff like that. And they send you your appropriate size. This is a really soft feeling shirt. Look at that cool logo on the back. Petrol box. That's really cool. I like that. I love their logo, the Petrol box logo. the old metal gas can like you see on the back of the military vehicles and stuff. Got the flames around it. I really like that. Set that up there. And then you can never have too many of these, right? Detail brushes, boar's hair, detail brush. And of course you can use it along with the spray wash or your regular wash or soap and water. You get in there and get those deep, you know, like around your emblems, cracks around your windows, between your molding, all that stuff. These things work perfect for that. Petrol Box. If you didn't guess it, Petrol Box is the main sponsor for this month. Got their air freshener. I can't really tell what it smells like, so we'll have to open that one up and see. I'll hang this up in the black car. Then we have the sticker, right? It's always cool getting these stickers. Then you have the magnet featuring this month's Petrol Box subscriber car. Very cool car right there. If I ever get me a different type of car, a Nissan GTR will be it. Then we have, last but not least, I don't want to say Ricer magazine. I guess I'll just call it the JDM type of magazine. I've seen these, I've never had one, so it's going to be a pretty cool read. All kinds of cool articles in there, performance parts, all kind of great stuff like that. Get-togethers, car meets. Oh, nice. There's a nice old square body step side. Can't wait to see what they did to it. Just all kind of cool stuff in there. You would think by the cover it's going to be just JDM style cars, or in the South, Ricer type car, but that's not the correct name. JDM is the correct name. But anyhow, you'd think it'd just be that, but like you just saw, a square body step side, and now we have that. So there's some, and it's a really cool matte finish to it. This is a well done magazine. Well done. Yeah, that's it for this month's Petrol Box. I'm gonna get it all put back together and show you everything again, and we'll go from there. But there you go. As you can see, it is a great collection. Every single one of these items I can use this month. Now, you know, some months you might not get stuff that you may particularly want or can use, but you can bet your life there's always a friend or a neighbor that can use something. But in this case, I can use every single item here. Got the air freshener, like I said, that's going in the black car. The matching, there's their logo, the matching air freshener. Don't know what it smells like, but it doesn't matter, it's still going in the car. Got the face mask, which this material and everything is not like a regular medical face mask. This can be rewashed, and it has little balls on it where you can pull it in and tighten it down if it's too big for your head. Like, you know, a child would wear this or something. You could tighten down that ball, slide it on, and make it tighter to where it fits them, you know, more efficiently. And you've got the detail brush, like I said, you could use this on absolutely anything. The J Leno Eco Wash scratch-free formula. It's got wax, wash, wax, and protect. Cool. The hand sanitizer, which, as you know, we all need in this day and time. So, wonderful box. Wonderful box by Petrol Box this month. I mean, just like I said, every single item I can use that's in it. So, James over at Onlinecarshow, thank you very much. I had no idea that I would even be getting one of these. I was trying to get one because, you know me, I like anything car related. And Petrol Box, thank you. This is the second box I've gotten through James and through you guys. Both of them were contests, and this one I didn't even know was going to turn out the way it did. So I feel very lucky, very fortunate to receive it. Petrol Box, you're doing a great job. Keep up the good work. James, you just made 5,000. Now get your butt on the 10,000. But that's it. I just wanted to show you all what was in it and everything. You know, like I said, it's a great company, great products. Everything they put in here is top notch. Sometimes they give you candy. All right, get a piece of candy. But I'm also not a paying subscriber. This is a free box, so how can I complain? So with that said, until next time, you get out there and enjoy your car, even though it's raining outside and I'm not out there enjoying it. I am absolutely enjoying it doing this. So take care. We'll see you in the next one.